Hi everybody, and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send videos or any other files from your PC to your phone. The first method we'll use is Gmail. This is one of the easiest ways to transfer smaller videos. Gmail has a file size limit of around 20 to 25 megabytes, so this works well for small files. To start, open Gmail on your computer and click on Compose to create a new email. In the To field, enter your own email address. This is so you can send the email to yourself. Next, click on the paperclip icon to attach a file. Then, select the video you want to send. Make sure the file size is within the limit. For example, I'll choose this video file, which is about 10 megabytes. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see it attached to your email. Now, just click Send. You'll get a confirmation message saying the email has been sent. Open your email app on your phone, find the email you just sent, and download the video attachment. That's it. This method is simple, but it's best for smaller file sizes. If your video file is too large for Gmail, you can use Google Drive. Drive is great for larger files, and it's easy to use. Start by opening Google Drive on your PC. You can either click on New in the top left corner and then select File Upload, or simply drag and drop your video file directly into the Drive window. Now, to access this video on your phone, download the Google Drive app from the App Store if you haven't already. Log in to the same account you used on your PC. From there, you can open the video and download it directly to your phone. Alternatively, you can right-click on the video file in Drive on your PC and select Share. You can copy the link to the file and send it to yourself through a messaging app, email, or any other method. Once you open the link on your phone, you can download the video from there. Next up, we have Mega. This method is similar to Google Drive and works well for large video files. First, go to the Mega website on your computer and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, look for the File Upload button. Click on it and then select the video file you want to transfer. After the file finishes uploading, it will appear in your Mega account. To access it on your phone, download the Mega app and log in to the same account. You'll see your uploaded file there, and you can download it directly to your phone. The last method we'll cover is Mediafire. Like Mega, Mediafire is a cloud storage platform that lets you upload and share files easily. To use Mediafire, go to their website on your PC and log in. Click on Upload Files, then drag and drop your video into the upload area. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your video file in your Mediafire account. To transfer it to your phone, download the Mediafire app from your App Store and log in with the same account. You'll be able to find your video in the app and download it directly to your phone.